This is the Jellycat Amuseables Sun Bag Charm. It radiates pure happiness, literally. Its warm gold fur, stitching little smile, and the signature corduroy boots make it feel like carrying a pocket full of sunshine. Compact, but so full of personality. It is instantly recognizable as a Jellycat. It has the Jellycat quality, the luxurious softness with the whimsical little edge. What I like, the gorgeous craftsmanship, the velvety texture that feels so premium in hand, the secure clip makes it easily attached to a bag or a backpack or your keys. Cheerful, collectible design that brightens up any outfit or day. My experience is that this charm isn't just cute, it's a mood lifter. Who can't smile at this? Plush material holds up beautifully, even with daily use. It is soft, it is squishy, and it is comforting. Whether it's hanging from a tote, or decorating a car mirror, or gifted to someone who needs a little brightness. This adds instant charm and joy without trying too hard. It's like a little, hi, how are you? It's so cute. Would I buy it again? Yes, I would. These Amuseables, this one is the Sun Bag Charm. It is a rare mix of adorable, so well made, and a timeless piece. It is the perfect little pick-me-up, proof that sometimes happiness can really hang right from your purse. Highly recommend.